Good morning students. In previous YouTube link I had explained you English poem Pink Jelly Bean. So what was there in our poem? There was a pink jelly bean inside a dark box, right? And we have learned that there is a long dark road, then after it there is a long dark path, then at the end of the long dark path we have a lone dark house. This lone dark house is having a single door, and behind this single door there is a big dark hall. It is having dark stairs and a dark balcony, and at the end of the dark balcony we have a dark room, and also in that dark room we have a big dark closet. Closet means a small room or space for storing things. And inside that closet what we have, we was having one dark door along with steep dark stairs, and at the top of the dark stairs we was having a dusty dark attic. What do you mean by attic? A room or space just below the roof. And in that attic we have a dark box, a chest. है कि नहीं? क्या था? A dark chest. Inside this dark chest we have a dark box with a pink jelly bean inside. So students, once again I am telling you, read this poem again and again. Now turn your page, let's solve it. So come to page number 16. Comprehension. Answer these questions. Students, this we will be writing in our English CW book. Come to next. Would you describe this as a spooky poem or a funny poem, and why? Now what it is asking, कि ये spooky poem है या funny poem, what did you find? What would be the type of poem? Can anyone tell? I think it's a funny poem, right? There is so much dark. So I had found this poem as funny poem. Now come to the next, vocabulary. Under vocabulary you have rhyming words. Words like hall, tall are called as rhyming words. It means it sounds little same. Circle the word that does not rhyme with others. Now see, here we have given a set of words. For example, frog, dog, log, bag. Frog, dog, log. Now these words are rhyming with each other. But the bag, it is not rhyming. So what we will do? We will circle it. Understood? Then come to B. Glass, ball, class, grass. Glass, class, grass. क्या कर रहे हैं? Rhyme कर रहे हैं. Ball, not a rhyming word here. So circle it. Sound, hound, brown, found. Sound, hound, found are rhyming. Brown, brown is rhyming? No. What to do? Circle it. Float, goat, boat, seek. Which is the odd one out? Seek. Very good. Love, glow, pink, dove. Love, glow, dove are rhyming. Pink, it's not rhyming. So circle it. Pour, for, flower, your. So what is the odd one out? Your. Understood? In this way you have to complete your page number 16. Till that, keep reading poem. Bye bye.